Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change system fonts and icon shapes on Motorola Signature smartphone. To customize your fonts and icons, hold your finger down on the home screen and then select Personalize. To change the font, go to Fonts menu and select one of the 6 available fonts. Once you select a different font, it will be applied immediately to your smartphone, and if you want to change the icon shape, go right here and select one of the 5 available icon shapes for your smartphone, then tap Save to apply changes. Besides, we can also adjust the colors of the system, including some other icons. We can either select one of the 8 basic colors or use a palette to pick some customized color. And in display size and text, we can also adjust the font size and enable or disable the boldness for the text and the outlining. And we can also change the display size to make icons larger or smaller. And that's how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.